Hello all traders. Today is Wednesday, 15th of January 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating in a narrow range around the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian and London session, and it started to go up pre-market, and after CPI news release jumped up strongly. And if you look at the 10-minute macro chart, we see after New York market opening, the price had a small pullback, and then buyers came back and pushed the price higher and retested this level few times. So I missed the beginning of the market, and when I came back afternoon, it was in a sideways range here around 245. So I took from long position here first, and then another sell short position, and then again long position, another sell short position with break even, and one long position here was taken. And on S&P 500, I took several long positions with setup T in this area, which was choppy and going up. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And you see performance on one of these accounts here, which shows it was positive with profit factor of 3.59, which is coming from 76% win rate, 71% from 7 long position, and 83% from 6 sell short positions. The average win to loss ratio was about 1. The largest winning trade was $165, and the largest losing trade was $125. So I didn't have time to trade on the small CFD account and took some light position and holding them for swing trade, and will show the result later on. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on futures and CFDs is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.